So if you want some random values for some reason, then you can actually go ahead and utilize random value generator widget inside of Jotform as well. So to do that, over here on the add element section, simply go ahead and click, and under widget section, simply go ahead and type in random right here. And then over here you can see the random value generator. Go ahead and click, and the random value generator is there. So now as you go ahead right here, I'm just going to go around and say, let's say for example, token right here. So let's say I'm generating token. You can see that the character limit is 10 right now. I can say 15 right here, and you can see the allowed character right here, which is right now set to all, but you can set to like let's say for example, just letters right here. You can also set it to just numbers as well. And as you do that, you can see that the random value changes out, and then you get alphanumeric right here, just like this as well. So apart from that, you can go ahead and make it, let's say, just lower cases, and make it all upper cases or both as you want right here. So this is what you have. And let's say for example, if you just want this for validation reason, you can go ahead and hide this out in the form as well. So whatever you do, you can see that the random value is generated. You can go ahead and update, and as with any other field right here, you can go ahead and change it out. If I were to go ahead and preview out the form right here, once you do that, the random value is generated around over here, just like this, as you can see. So that is basically how you can go ahead and generate random values inside of Jotform using the widget. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.